Around the world, goldfish are among the most well-liked and well-known pet fish due to their striking colors and elegant swimming. These fascinating animals have been loved for generations, whether they are in elaborate ponds and gardens or little bowls and homes. Goldfish are native to East Asia and belong to the carp family. Over a millennium ago, they were cultivated for their beauty and adaptability. Even though they have a typical look, goldfish are intriguing creatures with distinctive characteristics, habits, and a fascinating past. History and origins. More than a millennium ago, in ancient China, goldfish first appeared on the scene. Wild carp, particularly the Prussian carp, were the source of goldfish domestication during the Tang Dynasty. These fish were silver or gray by nature, but sometimes they would acquire orange or golden colors via genetic abnormalities. Chinese breeders started carefully cultivating these uncommon fish because of their striking hues. Goldfish were common family pets under the Song Dynasty, and they were often kept in bowls or garden ponds for their aesthetic value. In the 17th century, goldfish were brought to Japan and then to Europe. They were one of the most popular and widely distributed pet fish globally by the 1800s, when they made their way to the United States. Over time, selective breeding has created a variety of goldfish variants with varying fin types, colors, and forms. Physical attributes. Although goldfish vary widely in size, shape, and color, they all have several traits in common. While certain kinds, like the fancy goldfish, have more rounder bodies, the majority have torpedo-shaped bodies. Goldfish have a tendency to become rather big, particularly in large aquariums like ponds. Even though they are often housed in little bowls, goldfish may grow to be as long as 12 to 14 inches, 30 to 35 centimeters in length, and can survive for more than 10 years. Given the right circumstances, some can even live up to 20 years. In addition to the traditional orange and gold, they also come in white, black, red, and calico, which is a multicolored mixture. Although certain types, such as the pearl scale goldfish, have more rough, pearl-like scales, most goldfish have smooth, metallic scales. Additionally, there are differences in the size and form of their fins. Some varieties have long, flowing fins, while others have small, compact ones. Goldfish breeds. Goldfish have been developed into many different variations over millennia, each with its own particular look. Some of the most popular types are common goldfish, the traditional sleek goldfish that most people are used to seeing. It is resilient and can survive in ponds and tanks. Fantail goldfish are a common sight in aquariums, renowned for their beautiful swimming and eye-catching double-tail fin. Veranda. This variety is distinguished by a fleshy protuberance on top of its head, available in a number of hues, including orange, red, and even black. Ryukyu goldfish are identified by their rounded body and large dorsal fin. Even though they are tiny, they seem attractive. Black Moor. This breed has a velvety appearance, prominent eyes, and is completely black. Shubunkin. The calico coloring of these goldfish is a combination of white, blue, red, and black patches. They are swift swimmers and live well in ponds. Knowledge and action research has shown that goldfish have a memory span of many months, dispelling the widespread misconception that they have limited memories. They are able to identify their owners, learn when to feed them, and even pick some basic tasks like ringing a bell or swimming through hoops. Goldfish are gregarious fish that frequently engage in social interactions with other fish in their tank. They often form tiny schools and exhibit complex swimming patterns in bigger tanks or ponds. Goldfish use a variety of behaviors to communicate with one another and their surroundings. They use their fins to detect water vibrations and currents to navigate and avoid danger. Their ability to see ultraviolet light, which humans are blind to, gives them the ability to sense changes in their environment. Food and feeding practices. Goldfish, as omnivores, consume both plant and animal materials. They eat algae, plant waste, tiny insects and larvae in the wild. They consume specialty flakes or pellets when in captivity, but they also prefer treats like peas, spinach, and little bits of fruit. Goldfish are prone to stomach problems, so it's vital to avoid overfeeding them, particularly in tiny spaces like bowls or tanks. Small, frequent feedings twice a day are part of a healthy goldfish feeding regimen. Overfeeding may cause water pollution, which lowers oxygen levels in the tank and encourages the development of dangerous bacteria, both of which are detrimental to the health of the fish. Environment and maintenance. In order to properly care for goldfish, you must provide them with balanced food, enough room, and clean water. Although goldfish are often maintained in little bowls, their ideal environments are bigger aquariums or outdoor ponds with plenty of swimming space. For a single goldfish, a minimum tank capacity of 20 gallons, about 75 liters, is advised, with an extra 10 gallons, 38 liters, needed for each additional fish. Despite their ability to withstand colder water, goldfish are cold water fish that thrive in temperatures between 65 degrees Celsius and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees and 24 degrees Celsius, particularly in outdoor ponds. Because goldfish generate a large quantity of waste, filtration is essential to preserving the quality of the water. To maintain a healthy ecosystem, regular tank cleanings and water changes are required. Health and longevity. Many goldfish may survive for up to 20 years under the right circumstances. They are prone to a few illnesses, however, like fungal infections, fin rot, and bladder issues. Maintaining a balanced diet and avoiding crowding can prevent numerous problems. In summary, the evolution of goldfish from wild carp to the vibrant, multifaceted pets we know today has a lengthy history. Fish fans have always loved them for their intellect, flexibility, and beauty. People all over the world are still enthralled and delighted by goldfish, whether they are kept in an aquarium or a backyard pond. These amazing animals may live long, healthy lives and add color and vitality to any setting if given the right care.